Can I borrow your phone? What's that?
It's a cookie.
You want Mighty Mouse? Show it.
You want Mighty Mouse?
Yeah, it's Arthur's cookie. Thank you so much.
14 minus 1 equals 13.
Hindi bilang yung nakain mo.
That's your cookies? You want my cookie?
Yeah. I like that.
Dito.
Ano ba? Ano mo bigyan?
Hindi makita sa camera eh. Ako nakagat ka na. Ay! Ba't ka kumagat?
Bakit?
Huwag ka kumagat talaga. Hindi talaga tayo bigyan eh. Wala akong balak bigyan ka. Mabaho ka eh.
Pagay gutom na naman ako. Ito na lang yung mga kinakain ko. Mga nalaglag mo.
Amoy bulok-bulok na nila lang.
Ay, ito.
Hindi na dapat pang... binibigyan ng pag-aka.
Ang cute mong nasa ulo.
When he makes a home, when she makes a home. Gift yun ni Jay. Sa akin.
Ay, ganun?
Bedsheet. All white. May pinkish. Ganon. Ganon maging responsable ng lalaki. Ganon maging responsable ng lalaki. Nag-iisip ng best sa family niya.
Oo naman.
Ikaw? Ikaw?
Ano?
Ba't uuwi ka ng ano? Alas 6 ng umaga.
Ano sa is
Nang hindi marunong umakyat ng sariling bed. Gigiray-giray pa. Kala mo natutuwa ako? Ultimo sariling bed, di ka marunong. Ano nangyari? Ba't di ka marunong umakyat ng sarili mong bed? Sige, kukontent ko yung mukha mo, kala mo. Can I have more cookies, Jane?
Can we have more cookies?
Can I have more cookies? Kiss, mommy. Can I have more cookies? Can I have more cookies? You're so cute. Are you so cute?
Yes.
I find a cute guy also here. In TikTok. You wanna meet a cute tito? Archie, my feet. Hi, Jay.
Ito sa Mommy will look for another tito.
You wanna meet a new cute tito, Jay?
Uy, Arthurs. Mommy's talking to you.
Another baby.
Let's find a new cute tito first. Artus.
Arthurs!
Someone smarter. Someone smarter.
Someone smart.
You want? You want Jay? Let's find.
No.
Why?
He is good.
Ah, that Tito is good.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
He doesn't know how to climb in the bed. During 6 a.m. He doesn't know how to sleep properly. Please. Let's find a new Tito. There's so many cute Tito here. I saw it in the picture. I saw it in Facebook. I saw it in YouTube.
Mom, blow the balloon.
Wait.
Open it.
Come on.
Mom.
Why? I cannot open. I know, I'm afraid of balloons. It might pack in my face.
Paano?
It might.
It will like that, oh. Pak.
Are you not afraid? What if it will pack? Why? Is that funny?
Like, it will
The balloon looks like a rocket.
It will pak.
It looks like a rocket. Yes, like a rocket. Never open a balloon.
Jay, I saw a new cute Tito here.
Oh,
Let's
maybe
let's
change
find
Tito.
a new cute Tito.
Uy, ito so mommy will change dito.
Let's change a new Tito.
Ito, so mommy's gonna change dito.
You want?
Sweet.
Huh?
Uy,
Never open a balloon. Never open a balloon. Never open a balloon. It can go far. The balloon can fly.
pila mo, goes pak.
Ano nakakatawa dun?
Natawan-tawa siya eh.
Isa ka pa eh.
Natatawa sa tawa niya na eh.
The balloon can fly.
It might explode, huh? Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, show it to mommy. Here, in the camera.
Oy! Oh no! Oh no! It's a baby! Ah! It's a balloon. It's a prank. It's a prank. You pranked me there. I thought we got a baby. Are you a prankster?
No.
Me, I wanna be a prankster. Ang bilis ko lumobo. No?
Hindi naman ganun kabilis. Ba't ka ba lumobo?
Matakaw.
Ganda na hair ko.
Galing nang nagupit sa'yo, no?
Anis.